If you are new to intermittent fasting and have no idea where to begin, don't worry. In this video I will show you exactly how to start the 16-8 fasting method step by step. No crazy diets, no starving yourself, just a simple, realistic way to feel better, burn fat, and take control of your body. I will also share what to expect in the first few days, how to avoid common beginner mistakes, and how to make fasting feel easy even if you have never skipped a meal in your life. Hi, I am David, and after struggling with low energy, poor digestion, and constantly thinking about food, I discovered intermittent fasting. And honestly, it changed everything for me. On this channel, I create science-based videos focused on 4 pillars of health: food, movement, sleep, and stress, designed to help you build long-term strength, clarity, and energy. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to start the 16-8 fasting method, even if you have never tried fasting before. You will learn what to do step by step, what you can drink, how to adjust your morning routine, and what to expect in the first week. I will also share the 3 biggest beginner mistakes and how to avoid them completely. So, if that sounds helpful to you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep making content like this. So, what exactly is 16-8 fasting? It's time-based eating routine where you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and then fast from 8 p.m. until to 12 p.m. the next day. That means no calories during the fasting period. But, and this is important, you can drink water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. These drinks won't break you fast and actually help reduce hunger. What will break you fast? Anything with calories, like juice, milk, sugar, or even the healthy protein bar. Personally, what I do every morning is drink about half a liter of water with salt sea, just to stay hydrated and help replenish minerals during fasting. It's something that works great for me, especially on days when I'm more active or training. Alright, here's exactly how to get started with 16-8 intermittent fasting. Step 1. Choose your eating window. The most common is 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. but if you wake up earlier or later, adjust it to your lifestyle. Step 2. Start by delaying breakfast. If you usually eat at 8 a.m., push it to 9 a.m. tomorrow, then 10 a.m. the next day until you naturally reach 12 p.m. Don't force it, let your body adapt gradually. Step 3. During the fasting window, drink plenty of water, black coffee or unsweetened tea. This helps with hydration and reduces hunger. And finally, step number 4. When your eating windows opens, don't overeat. Focus on real whole foods. Eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. In the Japanese island of Okinawa, where people often live well past 100 and remain active, there is principle called Haka Hichi Bu, which means eat until you're 80% full. It's a simple idea, but incredibly powerful. Try it. So what you can expect in your first week of 16-8 fasting? For most people, the first 3 to 5 days are the toughest, especially if you are used to eating early or snacking late at night. You might feel a bit hungry in the morning or even lightheaded. That's totally normal. It's your body adjusting to a new rhythm. Make sure you drink water, stay busy, and don't obsess over food. The more distracted you are, the easier it feels. But at the end of the first week, most people start to notice something surprising. They are not hungry in the morning anymore. Your energy becomes more stable, mental clarity improves, you stop thinking about food all the time. And that's when the real freedom begins. Trust the process. Your body is smarter than you think. Let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes people make when starting 16-8 and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. Overthinking during the eating window. Some people think I didn't eat all day, so now I can eat whatever I want. Yes, fasting helps, even if your meals aren't perfect. But to really feel the difference, focus on real whole foods. Mistake number 2. Not drinking enough water. Fasting doesn't mean not fluids. You need water to help your body detox, balance electrolytes, and reduce hunger. Aim for at least 2 3 liters a day. Mistake number 3. Expecting instant results. This is lifestyle, not a 3-day detox. You might not lose weight in the first week, but you are building a metabolic foundation. Stay consistent and the result will come. Patience beats perfection every time. If this video helped you understand how to start 16-8 fasting, give it a like and a subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. On this channel I focus on the 4 pillars of real health: food, movement, sleep and stress. So, if you are ready to take control of your body and mind, you are in the right place. And if you are wondering what you can actually eat during intermittent fasting, don't worry. That video is coming next. See you there.